A, B, C are points on a circle, centre 0. If AB is 15.6 and AC is 6.5, calculate the circumference of the circle, distance all the way around the circle, and B, the area of the circle. So the main thing that you have to realise here is that we need to find the radius of the circle, which is that length or that length. However, we can possibly find this length because the length BC is the diameter, which means that this angle here will be 90 degrees because angles in a semicircle. Right, so therefore that means we can use Pythagoras on this circle. So using Pythagoras' theorem on triangle ABC, we're calculating the longer side, so BC squared is equal to AB squared plus AC squared. So that's 15.6 squared plus 6.5 squared, which gives you 285.61. BC, we need to find the length, which is the square root of 285.81, which gives me 16.9. Well, that gives me the diameter of the circle, which you could use to find the circumference, but it would be easier to just find the radius, which is that length there. So it's going to be half of 16.9, which is 8.45 centimetres. We can now do the problem. C, circumference of the circle, is 2 pi r, so we'll just do 2 pi times 8.45. Do that on a calculator. The calculator will give us an exact answer, 169 pi over 10. If you press the S to D button, that'll give you 53.092, which is 53.1 centimetres to 3 significant figures. The area is pi r squared, so it's going to be pi times 8.45 squared, which gives you, if you do it on your calculator, 28,561 divided by 400 times pi. Press the S to D button, get 224.317, which is 224 centimetres squared for the area. Okay, so this has been a video. Given a triangle inside a circle, can we use that then to find the circumference and the area of a circle? I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.